even talking about this about my mom and my dad, I have a hard time because I never want anybody to look at them any differently because what they've been able to do was cope with their pain, cope with their trauma to the best of their ability. They happen to choose avenues that came with a negative consequence, unfortunately. But my love, my passion towards my parents, it's never digressed. In fact, it's actually like amplified because I'm like, for you guys to experience what you experienced as a kid, for you to indulge in the activities that you indulge, for you to go through all of that shame, all of that guilt, all of those fears, all of that stress, and me and my sister still have food on our table, we still have a shelter over our head, still have clothes on our back, like, what?
Yeah.
What? And it's just always been like a driving force. Like people that were dealing with what they dealt with still didn't give up on me.
Hmm.